Hello, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. How are you doing today? Today we're here at the South Coast Plaza. We're gonna go to Louis Vuitton, and then I'm going to be with my friend and Madame MM style icon and also JVA Obsessions. So here what they have right now for the Chinese New Year. It was yesterday. So it's Year of the Rat, as you can see in there. So happy Chinese New Year, everybody. And then today, I'm gonna go to Louis Vuitton because I do have two repairs that I'm going to do. One for my mother and one for me. And then this is the bag. Because what happened on here is that this one is already ripping off. So that's one of the bags that I'm going to get repaired. So I'm going to see Myra. Myra, hello, how are you? And then the second bag that I'm going to have done is the bucket bag for my mom. I bought this one and then it's sticky out inside. I bought this one in second market place and then it's sticky inside. So I want that to be repaired. So I'm going to get it done. That's why I'm going to see Myra. So I'm going to show it to you, and then so that later we will compare and contrast how is that gonna be. And I'm meeting up Madame MM icon here at the Louis Vuitton store. So we're here again, and then yeah, so come with me. It's not like come and shop with me today. And of course, Seb is not here today because he's in all the way in Paris right now. And yeah, so we'll see what's gonna happen here today. So I'm here again with my beautiful
MM
So we're gonna go to the atelier.
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 So yeah, this is her outfit for today. Look at her with all her scarf.
My
And
logo
then-
mania
yes,
scarf.
there you go.
Hold on, I should vlog too.
So here we are. There's Miss Madame MM style icon. The one that we're going to replace because they're going to change the linings because that one is sticky, and then this bag they're going to replace the whole strap, and
The
then
whole strap?
also
This
one's, I don't know what that one called, but yeah, because it's going to be ripped because this was my
So
work
this
bag.
is this part and the
And then
other
the other one.
side,
And then this one, that's it.
but the
Happy Chinese New Year. Yes, and then of course I have with MM Happy Chinese New Year. And it's Year of the Rat.
Not my year.
She's staying still. Don't worry about her.
I don't know.
Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo,
And MM.
and
I
Jave
got
is behind
something.
me. So yeah, she bought a lot of things. So anyways, thank you. This is behind the scene. This is behind the scene when we go to stuff, to the stores. Ayan, diba? Look at that. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. I will see you again in the next video. Bye. Hi, bonjour. This is Charles.
And Seb.
Welcome to our channel, and then we're gonna go to the. Where are we gonna go, baby?
Tsunami Garden in front of the Louvre Museum.
And they do have this Christmas. What is this? Market?
Market, yes.
Night market. So come with us, and we'll bring you there.